kagahi ba eh? Thank you, Greg. I'm 51 years old. Shout out Karen Karen. Hello, my friend. How are you? I'll see you later. Take care. Thank you. Never mind, Greg. Just go ahead. Thank you so much. Why are you laughing, Karen Karen? Yes, I am 51 years old already. Yes, it's true. Don't laugh. Okay? Don't laugh at my age. I don't like the taste of this juice. You are not 51. I am. Yes, I am. I am. I am. I am already 51. Karen. It's not 21. It's 1 of 5. 51 years old. God bless you too. Your skin is young. Yes, because I'm taking care of myself. I just eat veggies and fruits. I did not drink alcohol. I did not smoke. I did not eat unhealthy food. That's why maybe I'm look like I'm 25. You like my tattoos? Why you why don't you believe me, guys, that I'm already 51 years old? How I can convince Karen, my friend, also, you're laughing at me. You're laughing at my age. I don't know why. Is this Aphrodite tattoo? I don't want what's the meaning of that? What do you mean? Bilangkad ba kay atong kitundol? Kaya bang yabang yun yung pakita diri. Ano do kaya diri para magkaalaman na tayo sa personal. Ayaw ko ng puro sabi-sabi. Gusto ko gawa na agad. Harbat na agad. Puro kasalita eh. Puntahan mo ko din eh, para magkaalaman tayo. Tatagal ka ba?